Guys, our next video is about garlic sauce. Tom, they call it here in Arabic. You can use this in sandwiches, rotisserie, and especially in shawarma. Here are the ingredients. We have here an egg white, salt, neutral oil, garlic, lemon juice, and milk. We will going to put this all in the blender and incorporate everything. Here are our all ingredients. I put it in the blender and we're going to blend it until we reach the thick paste consistency. Okay guys, as I told you, this is the consistency of our tom garlic sauce. You see, thick paste. You can put this in the container, tight container, and put it in your refrigerator for at least a week or so. Okay, enjoy and use it for shawarma and rotisserie and anything you want. Enjoy.